Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosta Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Mdeni wa asibusiso Lorenzi. Keep a screenshot. Keep a screenshot where Usibusiso was talking to his brother Kuluma Angagelo Nomqebo. Is it Nomqebo Unontobeko Cele? So he was saying to his brother ukuthi noNtobeko yamfebela noNtobeko bambitile ethaveni kuphi kuphi noNtobeko bathi bebabhizi nemajida bamshaya ibhandi wafika wamlanza. Apparently noNtobeko bekangakayigcoki iphenti because uclaimeka ukuthi uqhamuka ngayigcoki wells bekayigcokile nje bekuyi-drama guys. So umndeni waSibusiso uveta ukuthi kahle kahle uSibusiso unoNtobeko bekumuntu vele longadiphathi kahle. They've been having problems yena ana Sibusiso for quite some time now because of the girl. Umntwana waSibusiso uveta ukuthi lonenkinga la kule relationship or lo bekanenkinga nguye uNtobeko, whereas umndeni wakabona uNtobeko uveta ukuthi uSibusiso was very abusive anelidlame. So lokho ntathi ukuthi sitebude ukuthi lo usho lokhu kahle kahle kwakhala nyonini la kule story. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.